Why privacy matters in digital wallets.
Digital wallets store sensitive data like credit cards, IDs, and transaction history. Strong privacy settings protect your information from hackers and unwanted tracking. By customizing your app's privacy features, you can minimize risks and keep your finances secure. Let's explore the essential steps to get the best protection from your wallet app.
Managing app permissions.
Start by checking which phone permissions your wallet app has. Limit access to contacts, location, and camera unless absolutely necessary for app functions. Disable unnecessary permissions in your device settings to reduce data exposure. Most wallet apps only need access to the internet and security settings, not your entire phone.
Enabling two-factor authentication.
Activate two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone or email whenever you log in or make big transactions. Find this option in your app's security or privacy settings and follow the on-screen steps to enable it.
Adjusting data sharing and notifications.
Review the app's privacy policies and look for options to limit data sharing with third parties. Opt out of marketing or personalized ads in your wallet app settings, if available. Also, adjust notification preferences so that account alerts appear discreetly and sensitive details aren't shown on your device's lock screen.
Securing session and transaction history.
For maximum safety, set your app to auto-lock after a short period of inactivity. Regularly clear your transaction and login history within the wallet app when possible. Avoid storing passwords in your device's notes or general password managers. Use the app's own security features or a trusted encrypted password manager instead.
Regular updates and cautious downloads.
Always keep your wallet app and device operating system updated. Updates often fix security holes. Only download wallet apps from official app stores and double-check for lookalike or fraudulent versions. Periodically review and update your privacy settings to keep up with new features and threats.